Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, this is a video that I am putting on there just to help a lot of you out there that may need some custom plasma cutting done. This is for a customer that I'm about to show you that has a rock mantle and fireplace, and he did not want to go with a fireplace insert as pictured here. And he preferred to go with a jotul freestanding F500 that sat on his hearth. You have to have a non-combustible surface at least 16 inches out in front of any type of solid fuel burning stove. So what I'm going to show you here is how we ended up pretty much cutting out this hearth pad. Stay tuned. This is an awesome job that turned out just beautiful. The customers raved about it, and another happy client. So check it out.